Hello everyone, just wanted to bring you an update on the rain situation that we're expecting for tonight and tomorrow, and then look ahead to Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, because it's looking like it's going to get pretty stormy in Nebraska. But let's start with tonight first, and we're looking at 7 o'clock this evening, and just isolated showers. Best chance in the western half of the state, but there's also a chance in eastern Nebraska as well. Isolated showers, maybe a couple storms, I think most likely just showers, but a couple of thunderstorms are a possibility. And jumping ahead to 1 a.m., same story. Far from a stormy night, but do want to make you aware during the evening hours, it is possible just about anywhere in the state that a stray shower storm could work over you. As far as the best chance of rain tonight, that's probably going to be in far southeastern Nebraska, very late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. We're looking at 8 a.m. now. Fortunately, it looks like most, though, are going to have a dry morning commute, but do need to make you aware if you're in the far southeastern part of the state, and there's a possibility you might encounter a shower or storm. But in general, it looks like morning and early afternoon tomorrow, not a whole lot going on. A few showers around, but I think most are going to be dry. However, as we transition into the late afternoon, the scattered showers and storms coming back for the western half of the state. Looks like the eastern half of the state is going to stay dry. Let's talk about high temperatures for tomorrow. Looks like most are going to be reaching the low to mid 80s. A few spots may top out in the upper 80s. And no matter where you are in the state, there is going to be a light breeze in the afternoon, gusts around 15 miles per hour, but no crazy wind. And notice how the scattered showers and storms are going to continue for the western half of the state into the evening hours. It does look like during the overnight hours, though, all the activity is going to fizzle out, and there's a pretty good chance that the eastern half of the state will be staying dry. Now we're looking ahead to Thursday. And for many, I think it's going to be more of the same, kind of like Wednesday, isolated shower storms. So for central and eastern Nebraska, notice I just have the partly and mostly cloudy icons in there. So I do think most of the day is going to dry, though I do need to mention some isolated shower storms. But where we have the good chance of rain is places like Mullen, Oshkosh, Chadron, Valentine. And not only are we talking about showers and storms, but possibly some severe storms. Could we see some wind gusts in the western part, we say up to 50 miles per hour, maybe some penny-sized hail? That is a possibility Thursday afternoon into Thursday evening. However, I think the real uptick in the shower and thunderstorm activity is going to occur on Friday, because it is Friday that a cold front, a slow-moving cold front, is going to start to slide into the state. So look at Friday. Now look at all the shower and thunderstorm icons. So now we're talking about the showers and storms becoming likely. And I do think Friday is probably the best chance where we could see some damaging wind and hail. Maybe in spots, wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, perhaps some quarter-sized hail. And this would be anywhere ahead of the cold front. When the cold front clears you, and then the threat for severe storms are going away, because notice where those warmer temperatures are going to be. So really most concerned about the chance for severe storms. I still don't think we're talking about widespread severe storms, but isolated severe storms, central and eastern Nebraska, Friday afternoon into Friday evening. And again, I mentioned this is a slow-moving cold front. So now we're looking ahead to Saturday, and the front is still going to be over us. And look at the difference in temperatures Saturday afternoon. So reaching the low 80s. It looks like for Omaha, Lincoln, Beatrice, but as you go to the north and west, just cooler and cooler. And look at all the places, Mullen, O'Neill, Valentine, they're just going to be in the upper 60s on Saturday, and getting windy behind this cold front as well. And notice the good chance of rain still. And yes, we're still talking, unfortunately, about a chance of severe storms. Now, it's just going to be in the areas ahead of the cold front. So it looks like it could very well be limited to the southeastern corner of the state. But this is not what we want to hear for the Huskers game on Saturday. Rain is certainly a possibility. And yes, we're talking about the possibility, maybe, though it doesn't look likely, but a possibility for some damaging wind and hail. Now, there's still a lot of details that we need to iron out still. So we will keep you posted on the very latest, but do want to make you aware that both Friday and Saturday are looking pretty wet in Nebraska.